Hey, this is Joe Hill from Done Right Management. We are at Knotty Pine. We're going to do a quick video tutorial. If you're looking for the Wi-Fi router box, if you need to reset it for anything, if you're not able to log into 250 Ernesto Primary or 250 Ernesto 2, then you might need to reset the router, and that's sitting right here. And so, just in case, you might actually have to utilize, on the back end of this thing right here, you might be looking for an SSID. That's going to be the Aris F032 or the Aris F032-5G. And right along the bottom here, you have the pre-shared key, which is the BPP8F, blah, blah, blah. That's going to be your password to log in, just in case the system reset itself. So if you have any further questions related to the Wi-Fi and how to log in and resetting it, just unplug it, leave it for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and that should reset the router back to the usable mode. So if you've got any questions related to the Wi-Fi, you can give us a call. It's 208-634-0030, and that's Joe Hill from the Knotty Pine.